here we are. I'm not good at this game, but you know, I'll make it entertaining. Can you believe that guy hit me with fire? It's so aggressive. I might be running around with a shotgun, but you know. Oh. Molotovs. I don't care, tutorial. Get out of here. I know how to play this game. I don't really know how to play this game, but you know. Oh, I think it's gonna take all my time. Well, this is going well. That's annoying. There's nothing out here. Alright. Cool. Besides this random gang attacking me. Still have it on the big drops. Oh man. So that's soon. Probably wasn't bad. Delivery. I don't know if that's good or not. I haven't gotten it yet, so. Hey, a teleporter. Set a jellyfish on fire, if that makes sense. That's totally how jellyfish work, right? Oh boy. What did he drop? Just next jump? Oh man, I suck. Bonk. Could have gone a little bit better. I don't know how much that little bit really is, but it's really going well. My keep looking for thinking somebody's gonna be here, but not. Pew pew. Alright, cool. First teleporter done. Alright. What the? Alright, there's a lot of stuff over here that's actually really good. What is that thing? I don't like it. How much is this chest? $60. Oh boy. Oh, there's another mountain shrine up there. Can I just get it and put back all the stuff down there? What is making that sound? Oh, get out of here. I think I can make this jump. I don't think I can make that jump. 20? That for 60. Alright, that was completely useless. Oh, hello. I used to play Siege. Surprising with this aim. Alright, I like attack speed. I'd love to see that. Volcanic egg. I like that. That means I can get up here now. Okay, so that's the teleporter. I don't want to be here yet. Okay, I'm just going to go back down there where there's a bunch of stuff and go get, well, a bunch of stuff. That was way far back. It's like, yeah. Alright, well, I can get this chest now. Anything good? Healing orb on kill. I do like that. What just spawned? Well, we got it. Oh, no, I don't want to get frozen. Please leave me alone. I don't like it. Okay, so this is 361. Is there anything else cheaper I can get? This is 96. I'll get that. I'll get a healing drone. That's 60. Almost there. Almost. I have half of it, but, you know. It's pretty close, right? Oh, hello, guys. Shoot my drone. What did I get? Deal extra damage to bosses? I like that. expected, besides the, like, 100 shot that I've missed. Stop jumping all around, man. What is up here? Yeah, okay, sure. I don't know what the newt altar is, but, you know, I donated to the newt altar. Ow. I just, like, crushed my legs. What's this thing? Increase movement speed. I don't like that. That doesn't give me much gold, so I don't care. Energy drink. What's that? Increase sprint speed again. Just making myself faster. Love to see it. Alright, let's see what happens. Needle clean. Alright. This one is going to go swimmingly. I think there's a lot of enemies. There's a lot of enemies. Alright, one of them's dead. It's just this one now. Depending on who you ask, it's still a little bit much. But I'm kind of cooking. Oh boy, there's so much happening. Why are you all the way over here? Get out of the corner. Ugh. This is so annoying. I think I'm gonna die. Or do I? No, I don't want to fall. No. Oh yeah, get wrecked. What's in the portal? Give me that as well. And that. Oh, brother. Alright, that's a nice break. Alright, sweet, I had to text my dad. Sorry. Alright, let's see what's in here. My buddies told me I could buy a new, like, person, so... That's where I can go. What? Free the survivor. Cool. Okay, so I got a new one. Can I talk to this guy? I low-key forgot. I can't. Ben's Raincoat. Prevent debuffs and set gaming barrier. That's actually really good. Refresh shop. I don't know what any of these actually do. What's this guy? He looks funny. Drop a permanent effigy that cripples. No, I like my egg better. Yeah, okay, successful. Cool. I got the new survivor. And now I'm gonna go back and see how much farther I can get. Been at this for 15 minutes. I'd say that's pretty good. I wanna know how long I can go though. If it's like 20, then, you know, Those are tools. I haven't been here before. What the? What type of enemy is this a rolly guy? Oh, they explode. Well, it is fields. That makes sense that it would explode. What the? Oh my goodness, get out of here. What a flick. Okay, ow. Get out of here, grenade. Yo, leave me alone. What's this? Reduce the damage the first time you're hit? That's not bad, I think. I don't like that area. Oh man, I don't like out here now. Oh, I just launched myself off the edge. Alright. I'm doing so good. Let's just keep it moving, huh? Keep it stepping, keep it pushing. Let's go. What's this? 500. That's 553. Got my workout for me. All right. Burns nearby enemies. Oh, I like that a lot. I'm just a flamethrower. Yeah. Ooh, chest. 166. Okay. I can do that. I don't want to use that because I'll probably die. Okay, cool. Let's see what I get. Alright, completely worthless. This might not be worthless. Oh, that's explosives. I already have one that I like, though. Anything else I should... What? It's a bomb. Yeah, no. Oh, no. I'm just gonna go to the portal. Get out of the ground. Alright. What am I gonna get? Beetle Plume again. Boom. Alright. Well, something's certainly happening. I do like my drone equipment work, though. Alright, that's one of them. This could be the other. There's so many things over here. No, I'd rather not die. Stop this. Stop it, fellas. Stop that. Oh, never mind. Alright. Let's see, well, that wasn't bad. GG's.